gonna get gas somewhere else, because that's pricey. Much better. We have to take an even more different route than last time because there was a rock slide a few months ago. It was pretty bad, and residents are kind of concerned that it may do the same thing again with the upcoming rainy season. And so there is a bunch of lovely construction on the highway that I usually take. The tunnel's shut down to one lane, and the wait times are anywhere from 5 minutes to 2 hours. So we're gonna skip that. I know a little sneaky back way to get up the mountain. Oh, now you decide to work when the rain's stopping. One day we'll go visit that. There's a trail, but they have it closed right now. Apparently mistletoe's taking over all the local trees, so they gotta get rid of it. Yo, check out this fog though. Oh no, we hit traffic. Can I go around you, or? Alright. What's up? Okay, I'm gonna go around you. Going around you. Thank you. Okay. Now this is the scenery that I like to see every day. I don't think I'll ever get sick of this. More cows. Remember this place? I hate to keep showing you the same places, but there's a lot of people at the other places I used to frequent. So we'll skip those because I don't really like being around people. So, I have a whole bunch of stuff here. Oh, I also got this. This is a propane cooking top thing. And so now we're going to try that out. So what do we have? Butter, onions, paper thin ribeye, or waffle fries. And they didn't have sliced provolone at my Walmart when I stopped by. They were out of it. So just some random cheese that I had at home. Alright, well I guess my burning question is, how are they? One, they're way better than regular fries because they're waffle fries. And you can just pick up a big old thing and bite it. Mmm. My only regret is that I don't have something to melt the cheese on top. And that it wasn't provolone, but damn. This is really good. I've been snacking on the meat the whole time that the fries were cooking. I think in retrospect, I'll probably cook the fries first next time, because I am going to be making these again. And I know it's a little weird to put mayo on your fries, but look, I like my Phillies with mayo on them, which people think is weird as it is. I know you can't see it, but there's a bunch of cows running in fear of something over there. I have the bestie out, just in case. I heard a large amount of footsteps, and they were up there in the direction. If you didn't know, this is where that bear was the other time. And I saw probably, I would say upwards of a dozen, probably closer to 20 cows, adult and child, fleeing the scene. And I mean, since the bear was up there before, maybe he got a free meal. I don't know. Now I know you're looking at the onions that I made and you're like, what the hell, dude, you burned them. But if you know me, then you know I really hate the texture of onions when you cook them. Obviously I don't eat them raw, but cooked onions to me, if you don't burn them and caramelize them, or imagine you had, say, a Cheez-It stuffed with gummy bear. That's the texture that reminds me of. I gotta caramelize my onions because then all the texture's gone and I can enjoy the flavor, which is Alright. That was incredibly good. What do we think? Should we go see what was bothering those cows? Or see if we can find a dead cow? Oh. Looks like some sort of animal. I don't know, deer or elk came down here. Can any mushroom experts tell me if those are edible? I mean, I'm not going to eat them, but... Well, the cows were hauling ass that way from up there. So let's go up there. That looks like elk. I would say elk. You see the game trail. You can tell that this is where the cows are running through, because there's some pretty panicked footsteps here. I think whatever it was is gone. That's very old, but that's definitely bare. I'm assuming this is what was left of a chair. In the middle of nowhere. I saw a little piece of it down there too. So what kind of mushrooms are these? I don't know, but they look toxic for sure. Okay, well, that was largely uneventful, so let's head back to the burb. They probably just got scared off by a bear, because they were looking back the whole time they were running. They were trying to get their young to safety. Maybe one of them got eaten, maybe not, who knows. I walked quite a ways up the trail, didn't find anything. So, I don't know. That's actually very fresh, still wet, and that's definite bear. So he's out here somewhere, and he was just through here. So I bet you he's what scared off those cows. I don't know, man. Whatever. Leave it to nature. And there's more bear. And it's just right there. So this guy's been coming through here a lot. Hey, reminder, just so you know. Guess my favorite band. Here's your 3 hints so far. It's heavy metal. They are currently producing music. They have been since 2005-ish. I still haven't looked that up. And they've made music as recent as this year. Third hint, they're not some off-the-wall type band. They should be pretty well known. They've done work for TV shows, commercials, stuff like that. You just have to know where to look. You should know by now that there is a wonderful one of these prints in it for you if you can guess my favorite band. So get to guessing. I really don't think anyone's gonna guess it. And if no one can by 1,000 subs, I'll just give the print to a random sub. I will never get tired of mountain scenery, I tell you. I decided to just take a walk down the road instead of driving somewhere else. Okay, that's all for today. I have avoided the hot weather all day, and it's time to head home. It's still probably going to be pretty hot, even though it's 9 o'clock by the time I get home. Last time at 9 o'clock it was 92 degrees at home, so not the best. As usual, you be good while I'm gone. I'll see you next time. Have a good week.